right, guys, moving into the home stretch of our programs, the next handful of them are all going to be geared towards dealing with triangles. Now, the general gist of all of these programs is that you are going to be given a combination of angles and sides in some of the familiar forms that you would probably remember from geometry, like angle, angle, side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, side, or side, side, side. If you've been given a triangle with any of that combination of information, there's going to be a program that you can run, input the values, and it will complete the entire triangle. It will give you all the missing angles, all the missing sides, and it's going to help you find the area of that triangle. If you remember back from our area try program, I told you that if you have a special fancy triangle like one of these, you're going to want to use one of these programs. This is where we're going to put that into practice. Let me show you the first example. We have Trias. This is angle, angle, side. Now I've drawn an example triangle over here to the side that might represent what you could see on the test. So if I run this program, Trias, the given side is a 17. They're going to ask, what is the adjacent angle? What is the angle next to that side? That's 134. And what is the opposite angle? The angle opposite of 17 is a 19. Sure enough, the missing angle in the top right is 27. The side opposite that new angle, which would be down here on the bottom, is 23.7. And then the other side, labeled X, is 37.56. So that's all the missing information for the triangle. And last but not least, the area for this particular triangle would be 144.95. So that's kind of an example of what you could be looking at when you have an angle, angle, side triangle. So let me go ahead and use this time to show you examples of the other ones as well. Let's take the ASA option, the Triasa. This is angle, side, angle. For this example, let me go ahead and move this 19 to the top right corner, where we now have an angle, a side, and an angle. Let's see what the calculator gives us for this. I'm going to let angle 1 be 19. I'm going to let the side between them be 17. And angle 2 is 134. Pay attention to how we named angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is 19, keep that in mind. So the side opposite of angle 1, which is going to be the one on the bottom here, is 12.19. The side opposite angle 2, the 134, is going to be 26.94. That's what our X is. The missing angle on the bottom is 27, and the area for the shape is 74.54. So all in all, pretty darn simple. Let me go ahead and show you another example with side angle sine. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and move our 19 down here as a side length, and we'll go ahead and say that is a side. I have 19, 134, and 17. Side 1, I'll let that be 19. The given angle is 134, and then 17 is going to be side 2. And so the missing side, the unknown side X, is 33.15. The angle opposite side 1, keep in mind side 1 was a 19, so this upper angle is going to end up being 24.35. The other angle to the left, the one opposite of side 2, is 21.65. And again, for this particular example, the area would be 116.17. So hopefully you guys are getting the picture here that basically what this program is going to do is just fully complete whatever triangle you've been given. The last thing I want to show you with how this could be used is when you oftentimes have side, side, side. And so maybe we take a question like number 1. It says the side lengths of certain triangles are 4, 5, and 7. How would you classify that triangle? Well, maybe you don't remember all the rules for classifying obtuse and acute triangles. What we could do is say, okay, well, I have the 3 sides of a triangle, so I'm going to run the Triss program. And when I do, side 1 is a 4, side 2 is a 5, side 3 is a 7. And by looking at the angles, none of the angles are the same, so it's not isosceles. None of them are 90 degrees, so it's not a right triangle. One of them is bigger than 101, so I know it's obtuse, and I know it's not isosceles, which means the only answer that we have left is scalene obtuse, which is what letter choice H is. So it's a really nice, easy way to narrow down your answer options to just save yourself some energy and effort. So hopefully that serves you guys well. I didn't plan to wrap all of them into one, but they all function very, very similarly. input the 3 pieces of information you've been given, find all the missing information that you need, and then you'll also have access to the area. That's everything that you could hope for a triangle program. If you have any questions, let me know when you see me. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and move on to the other trig program called trig value. See you guys in that video.